Hi, my name is Ursis Aldaba. I'm a junior full stack web developer with hands-on experience building and maintaining web applications, working across both front end and back end components. In my current role, I work with application logic databases and system workflows, and I also help troubleshoot issues in live environments. This has given me exposure not just for coding, but to how systems behave in productions, including data flows, performance issues, and user reported problems. I'm interested in the software system engineer role because I enjoy working at the system level, understanding how different components interact, identifying root causes of issues, and improving reliability. Even as a junior developer, I've taken initiative in debugging, reviewing logs, validating database records, and supporting users when issue arise. What I bring to the role is a strong leaning mindset, practical problem solving skills, and the ability to communicate technical issues clearly. I'm continuously expanding my knowledge in system design, Linux, and backend technologies, and then I'm motivated to grow into a role focused on building and supporting reliable software systems. Thank you.